Good morning to everyone. We are NSync. The topic that we had chosen was agriculture. Thus, I will introduce to you about the factors leading to rice diseases, HISPA, brown spot, and leaf blast, and the idea to solve the problem: drone system, alternate wetting drying, and 3-in-1 soil meter. Paddy is the staple commodity for the majority of populations in Asia. Thus, it is considered a strategic crop that ensures political stability and economic growth for many countries in this region. However, the biggest challenges in growing rice are pests and diseases, which include brown spot, HISPA, and leaf blast. Classifier armidra is a species of leaf beetle from Southeast Asia, often known by its common name, the rice HISPA. It is an invasive pest that is responsible for significant crop damage across many countries. Rice HISPA scrapes the upper surface of leaf blades, leaving only the lower epidermis. Rice HISPA larvae will also tunnel through the leaf tissues and cause irregular translucent white patches on the leaves. This will cause the plants to become less vigorous. One of the factors encouraging rice HISPA to develop is the presence of grassy weeds in and near rice fields, as alternate hosts harbor. Heavily fertilized fields also encourage the damage. The rice HISPA is also common in rainfed and irrigated wetland environments and is more abundant during the rainy season. Brown spot has been historically largely ignored as one of the most common and most damaging rice diseases. Brown spot is a fungal disease caused by the fungus Cochleobolus mobianus, which can cause seedling blight, resulting in sparse or inadequate stands and weakened plants. Its most observable damage is the numerous big spots on the leaves, which can kill the whole leaf. When infection occurs in the seed, unfilled grains or spotted or discolored seeds are formed. Brown spot is common in unflooded and nutrient-deficient soil, or in soils that accumulate toxic substances. Major sources of brown spot in rice paddy include infected seed, volunteer rice, infected rice debris, and weeds. Brown spot can occur at all crop stages, but the infection is most critical during maximum turn up to the ripening stages of the crop. Leaf blast is caused by the fungus Magnaportha oryzae. It can affect all above-ground parts of a rice plant: leaf, collar, node, neck, parts of panicle, and sometimes leaf sheath. It occurs in areas with low soil moisture, frequent and prolonged periods of rain shower, and cool temperature in the daytime. In upland rice, large day-night temperature differences that cause dew formation on leaves and overall cooler temperatures favor the development of the disease. Rice blast is also known to be more severe in fields or parts of fields in which the water in paddies falls below recommended levels. Overuse of nitrogen fertilizer can also cause leaf blast to occur. In order to solve the rice diseases problems with the help of technologies and reducing the manpower needed, we are here to introduce you to our AI-powered system, NSync. Our system uses drones to ease the work in managing the paddy field. It consists of a radar positioning and return home system that can fly in both GPS and non-satellite modes. Before using the drone, it is needed to be carried around the paddy field so that the drones are able to get to know the physical area of the paddy field. The drone will automate its job by switching on by the farmers. When it reaches an area outside of the signal, our drone will return to the home point using its original flight path and restore the signal connection as soon as possible, enabling users to control its flight path. Besides, it is also equipped with collision avoidance systems that use obstacle detection sensors to scan the surroundings, while software algorithms and SLAM technology produce the images into 3D maps, allowing the drone to sense and avoid. Our drone will fly through the paddy field and use a high-quality camera to scan and capture the live images of paddy. Our system will then analyze the condition of the paddy and classify them into healthy or rice diseases categories such as HISPA, brown spot, and leaf blast based on the training datasets by using deep learning and image recognition. After that, it will highlight the position of the infected paddy and send it to the computer and mobile phone of the user. Our system will also suggest different solutions to the user based on the rice diseases detected. For example, When HISPA is being detected in the paddy field, our system will analyze if the crops are too close to each other and suggest users to use the proper pesticides to control the HISPA. When paddy is infected with brown spots, our system will suggest the fertilizers required and fungicides, for example, iprodion, propiconazole, azoxystrobin, trifloxystrobin, and carbendazim, as seed treatments. When leaf blast is detected in paddy, our system will suggest the use of fungicides such as triazoles and strobilurins to control the disease. It will also give other professional advice such as crop rotation, land leveling, proper soil preparation and water management based on the situation. Our system will then offer users an option to spray the suggested fungicides or pesticides based on the rice diseases by using drones. Using drones and spraying fungicides or pesticides can significantly improve the efficiency by covering large areas while reducing the time and manpower needed. The downward airflow produced by the drone can easily result in an impressive spraying effect that can even reach lower parts of crops and underneath leaves. In a complex paddy field, our drone can fly over varying terrain intelligently by conducting a 3D mapping of the scanned area with AI technology and flying accurately while adjusting the spray rate according to paddy distribution. As part of our system, alternate wetting drying (AWD) system is implemented. AWD is a water-saving technology that farmers can apply to reduce their irrigation water consumption in rice fields without decreasing its yield. It also reduces water shortage problem in dry season occasionally. In AWD, water irrigation is applied a few days after the disappearance of the bonded water. Hence, the field gets alternately flooded and non-flooded. In order to implement AWD, field water tube, panny pipe, is used to monitor the water depth on the field. The field water tube is a long plastic pipe or bamboo with a diameter of 10 to 15 centimeters so that the water level is easily visible. Besides, the field water tube must be perforated with many holes, so that water can flow readily in and out the tube. Hammer the field water pipe into the soil and leave the tube 15 centimeters above the soil surface. Remember to remove the soil inside the tube so the farmer can check the water depth level from time to time. Take note of the important days. On days 0 to 5, draining out the water after broadcasting for consistent seedling. Water irrigation is required during days 20 to 25 for dissolving fertilizer after applying basal fertilizer. Water is also essential during 55 to 60 days after sowing panicle initiation stage for fertilizer top dressing and reproductive growth. Lastly, let the paddy field dry 10 days before harvesting. By applying the AWD system, it helps farmers to reduce 55% maximum water consumption. Furthermore, it can reduce labor costs for water pumping. AWD system is also efficient to reduce pest amount and paddy disease frequency. On the other hand, it is also useful to encourage vigorous root system growth, increasing the soil fertility and reduce greenhouse gases emission. 3-in-1 Soil Meter is a combination device that allows farmers to know the sunlight intensity, soil humidity and soil pH level. Farmers can check those three measurements easily by switching the type and read the results on scale in the analog meter. Soil Meter has two metal probes. Farmers can just simply sink the metal probes into the soil of the paddy field. After a while, the results are ready. In our suggestion, some soil meters can be sunk in every edge of the paddy field. By doing this, they enable farmers to know the latest situation of the paddy field. Soil meters can help farmers to plan the best period for fertilization of paddy. This can help to reduce the problems of nutritional deficiency of paddy or overuse of fertilizers that may lead to brown spots, leaf blast on paddy. Thank you.